how to crop an image into a circle in Canva. To show you this, I'm gonna go to the left hand side here where it says elements. And I'm gonna pick this photo which I've already prepared. Now what you want to do is go to frame. Where you see frames, you go to see all. And here are the different shapes you can choose from. In this case, we want to go for a circle. I just drag it onto the screen like that. Now we have to select the photo we have chosen. And I'm just going to drag it and make sure I hover over the circle like that. And then I'm going to let go. And as you can see, it put the picture into the circle. Now, if you want to adjust the position of that, you can just double click on it like that until you see this editing screen. Now you can resize the photo and also reposition it to your desire. And once you're satisfied with your result, you can go to the bottom left corner where it says done, and it will crop the photo for you. And that's how you crop an image into a circle in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.